Palm Harbor Homes in Midland. I'd like to invite you out. Come take a look at our Horizon 48-foot house. This particular floor plan we're in right now, guys, comes in a family of floor plans. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, over 1,400 square feet. We can get it all the way up to 2,280 square feet, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 5-bedroom, 3-bath. Just to kind of give you an idea, come on this way. Being a 48-foot house, guys, it does have large bedrooms, good-sized closets. This home is half-inch drywall throughout. Pipe shelves, wood shelves. This is your 3rd bedroom. And again, take a look at this huge walk-in closet for a bedroom, guys. Great starter home. These rooms are wired and braced for ceiling fans, so if you need to add a fan, it's ready to go.
Hey guys, this is Stephanie from Palm Harbor Homes in Midland. So continuing on with our house tour of the Horizon 48-footer, I want to show you guys our dining room and our kitchen and the laundry room. So real quick, on your dining room, you have really spacious. You can fit a bigger table if you want. We do have your laundry room right here with this great barn door, and it is really roomy inside here. You can definitely fit your washer and dryer and maybe even a freezer space if possible. You do have an exit door right here on the side. Great dual pane windows with 2-inch blinds. And then you go onto your kitchen. Nice size island table with lots of cabinet space. As you can see, 42-inch cabinets, and you still have your wood shelves and rod throughout the house, as well as your wood beams, pendant lights, and LED lighting as well. The house does come with these appliances, and they have the 5-year warranty. You can upgrade to stainless steel appliances if you guys wish, but these are really nice with the house as well. So now moving on to the living room, real quick glance. Pretty spacious. As you can see, we do have this house mainly flooring throughout, except for the masters. So let me show you the masters real quick. So again, really spacious room as well. You have the transit window on the top, your dual pane windows as well, and a wire and brace switch in the masters. Then lastly, we have your master bath. Soon as you walk in, you're gonna see this gorgeous fiberglass standing tub, dual sinks. Again, this house has lots of wood shelves and rods throughout. That is free again, with the same little lights on the top as your first restroom. This one has your tub and your shower, little cabinet space right here, linen closet, walk-in closet, and the great thing is your private restroom that does have the exhaust fan and a window on the side.
Alright guys, again, thank you for viewing this video. This is our 48-foot Horizon. This home is ready to go, guys. 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Again, if it's a little small for you, we do offer a family of floor plans. This one is available to buy off our lot right now during our big red tag savings event that's going on. 7212 West Highway 80 here in Midland, Texas. Stop on by. We have plenty of inventory ready to go. Give us a call, 432-563-1099. Again, Palm Harbor Homes in Midland.